To the people who are watching around the globe, good morning. Hola, assalamualaikum, bonjour, namaste, konnichiwa. Sending love from the beautiful island of Cebu. So, I want to share something with you. So, in the Philippines, when you are 30s and single, people think something is wrong with you if you live alone. Maybe there is something wrong with me. To the people who know me, they ask, "Where is your husband?" My parents ask, "Aren't you scared?" But look at this. It's quiet. No one is shouting. No one is asking me to cook for them. Just me and my 3 dogs. This is not lonely. This is peace. It's not our culture to live alone, right? Usually, you stay with your parents until you get married. My mom calls me every night in my first month here. She asks, "Are you okay? Did you lock the door?" I love my family, but I wanted my own space. I wanted to know who I am when nobody is watching. It's hard to explain that to them. They think I'm waiting for life to start. But my life already started. People say, "Sayang, what a waste. You are pretty but you have no boyfriend." I don't need one though. I just laugh at them. I have 3 girls right here. They don't give me a headache. Well, maybe a little when they bark when they see another dog outside. Living alone means I do everything. I fix the lights. I carry the heavy water. I pay all the bills. It's tiring, yes, but it makes me feel strong. I don't need to wait for a man to fix my life. To all Filipinas who feel pressured to settle down just because they are 30s, don't rush. Don't marry someone just because your relatives are talking or your friends got married. Living alone taught me that I am enough. Cebu is beautiful. My dogs are happy. And my house feels like home. You don't need a wedding ring to be a success. Thanks for watching my simple life. It's not perfect, but it's mine. Amping mo tanan, or take care everyone. See you in my next video. Bye!